Introducing the Uncaged Ergonomics KT4-b. Elevate your desk setup with our innovative compound keyboard tray that adjusts to fit any ergonomic need, whether you're sitting or standing. This adjustable height from 1 inches to 6 inches ensures a comfortable typing angle, and its tilt range from 0 dig to 15 dig supports various work postures for wrist health by using the KT4-b. You're supporting your wrists with a natural or slightly tilted typing position, reducing strain throughout the day. Positioning for efficacy, the height adjustable design of this tray positions your keyboard at elbow level, promoting an upright posture that keeps eyes focused on your screen. Space-saving solution utilizes laid-out space under your desk with ease and store your keyboard when not in use. Visit us at Beacon Houseware for great products, where you can find more great products like these, where the customer is our priority. What you need when you need it. Available at beaconhouseware.com.